Start building your dream life today. What if I told you that you could start building your dream life today instead of waiting for the perfect moment? Building your dream life is not something that happens by chance. It's something that requires intentional actions and decisions. But so often, we get stuck in the waiting game, thinking that the right time will come along and everything will fall into place. But the truth is, there is no perfect time. And if you keep waiting, you'll be stuck in mediocrity forever. I'm sure you can relate to this feeling. You have a dream, a passion, a desire that's been burning inside of you, but you keep putting it off because you think the timing isn't right. But what if I told you that the timing will never be right? That there will always be something that holds you back, some excuse that keeps you from taking the first step? The thing is, building your dream life requires you to take control, to be the one who decides when and how you take action. It's scary, I know, but it's the only way you'll ever achieve your dreams. So, let's get started, shall we? Many of us delay pursuing our dreams because we're afraid of failure. We're afraid of what others might think, of the possibility that we might not be good enough. We procrastinate, telling ourselves that we need to learn more, prepare more, and wait for the perfect moment. But the truth is, there is no perfect moment, and the only way to guarantee failure is to do nothing at all. We also lack clarity about our goals, and instead of taking the time to figure out what we really want, we just drift through life, hoping that things will somehow work out. We're stuck in a comfort zone that's holding us back from achieving our true potential. Some of us are held back by lack of motivation. We're just not driven enough to take action. We're stuck in a routine that's comfortable but unfulfilling, and we don't have the energy to make a change. Others are stuck in the past, holding on to regrets and what-ifs. We're so focused on what didn't work out that we forget to look towards the future and the possibilities that lie ahead. We might also be held back by the opinions of others. We're so worried about what our friends and family might think that we don't dare to pursue our dreams. We're also limited by our own beliefs about ourselves. We think we're not good enough, smart enough, or talented enough, so we give up before we even start. We're also stuck in the mindset that we need to have it all figured out before we take action. We're waiting for the perfect plan, the perfect strategy, and the perfect circumstances, and as a result, we do nothing. All of these reasons are just excuses, and they're holding you back from achieving your dreams. It's time to stop making excuses and start making progress. So, what can you do today to start building your dream life? The first step is to set clear goals. What do you want to achieve? What does your dream life look like? Take some time to reflect on this and write down your goals. Once you have your goals, create an action plan. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks and start taking action. Don't worry too much about how you'll get there, just focus on the next step. You also need to overcome your mental barriers. What's holding you back from taking action? Is it fear, procrastination, or lack of motivation? Identify your barriers and create a plan to overcome them. Start building your dream life by taking small steps today. Don't wait for the perfect moment because it will never come. Take control of your life and start making progress towards your goals. You can also start by changing your mindset. Instead of thinking that you're not good enough, start believing in yourself and your abilities. You are capable of achieving great things, and it's time to start taking action. Another strategy is to find accountability. Share your goals with a friend or mentor and ask them to hold you accountable. This will give you the motivation you need to keep moving forward. You can also start by celebrating your small wins. Don't wait until you've achieved your big goal. Celebrate the small victories along the way. This will give you the momentum you need to keep going. I want to share a personal story with you. I was stuck in a job that I hated, feeling unfulfilled and bored. But one day, I decided to take action. I started taking small steps towards pursuing my passion, and it changed everything. I felt alive, I felt motivated, and I felt like I was finally living the life I was meant to live. That's what can happen when you start taking action towards your dreams. You'll be amazed at how quickly things can change when you take control and start making progress. So, I want to leave you with a challenge today. What's one thing you can do to start building your dream life? Take some time to reflect on this, and then take action. Don't wait, don't procrastinate, just start. Remember, building your dream life is not a destination, it's a journey. It's about taking intentional actions every day to move closer to your goals. It's about believing in yourself and your abilities and taking control of your life. In conclusion, building your dream life is not something that happens by chance. It's something that requires intentional actions and decisions. So, take control of your life, start making progress towards your goals, and remember, it's never too late to start working towards your dreams. What dream do you want to pursue? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe, and if you want to learn more about how to build your dream life, check out my other video on how to create a vision board. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.